Namaste. Today I am going to present an ICT tool that will help you to create some useful e-content. Now, the tool that I am going to share you is about Active Presenter. When you want to make a PowerPoint presentation along with your image and your voice and explanation, then you can use Active Presenter. In Active Presenter, you can create a PowerPoint video with the presenter's voice and video. So this is how that appears. So let's begin how to use Active Presenter. So the Active Presenter, myself, Dr. Suresh Isave from Pune. So what are the features of Active Presenter? You can convert your PowerPoint presentation into video. You can prepare PowerPoint presentations in Active Presenter. You can import PowerPoint presentations in Active Presenter and you can edit, and you can convert PowerPoint presentations into video. What other facilities? You can record a screen. You can record a video of the presentation with the presenter, and you can edit the recorded video. That is wonderful facility that I like most. After recording the video, you can edit it. You can save your videos in different format that is required to upload somewhere. Even one of the feature is you can create online test in this presentation. So there are many features. For that purpose, you need to go on the site of Active Presentation and download it. I found no mobile application of the Active Presentation. So it is just the software. It's not available on Play Store. I did not found it. Select your operating system on that site. There are paid versions and free versions. But I think as a teacher, whatever is required is available in free version. So better we download with the free version. See the hardware requirement and software requirement to install that Active Presenter. If you want to purchase it for your educational institution, there is special discount for you. The prices are changing. You can go through and get in touch with it. So download the app. Before that, you can read the privacy policy, what data they require. You can see they can access few of our the data. They can track the information about us for their commercial purpose. So you just go through the terms and condition and then go to the installing. So start installing and install it, and that's it. Launch it. Once it's launched, you will find such kind of home screen. So there are various facilities: blank project, record video. These are various functions that you can do. So first we shall see about what is blank presentation. If we click on blank presentation, what does it mean? It's a blank project. It's like creating the PowerPoint slides in it. So it's a project of PowerPoint slides. So you can create a slide, show in it. If you don't have PowerPoint, you can use it to create PowerPoint like site, and it can be run on PowerPoint. So when you open it, you will find you can insert various slides, and all the options you will find on the windows. You can insert design and transition, animation. All the facilities of PowerPoint are available here. You can use those facilities. One of the feature that is not very regular, if you are a maths teacher or engineering teacher, you want to add some equations, there are some equations with the signs are available. You can click on that particular equation and that will be typed in the slide. these numbers can be edited. Whatever figures are given, numbers are given, those can be edited. Then you can upload your video immediately on YouTube. I'm just showing you the various facilities available over here in Blank Project. You can create online test in Active Presenter. That is very wonderful feature over here. See multiple choice questions and multiple responses. Fill in the blanks and long answer questions, write the essay, and all these things. Such a kind of different kind of questions can be inserted in the slide. So I don't know any other software that provide us the facility to prepare a question in a slide. So here you can prepare it, but now today I am not going to discuss about that feature. Now what is there in export videos? You can whatever videos are prepared in software can be produced in different types of videos. You can directly upload from here itself. You need to sign in your YouTube account. So these are different features. Now how to import the PowerPoint. Import the PowerPoint. You need to import the PowerPoint to edit it. So you need to click on the PowerPoint that you want to import in this presentation. Once it is imported, you can see that presentation over here. Now you can work in Active Presenter as same like PowerPoint presentation. So that is just the purpose. You can see, go through all the tabs, all the menus. You will find the similar function. Those are available in PowerPoint presentation. When you are preparing a PowerPoint presentation, here even you can give the voice. Yes, of course, in a PowerPoint presentation also you can give the voice. Here in Active Presentation also it's possible. Downside, this is a timeline. Here you can see the preview. So once you can change the timing for each slide audio, and then you can just, if you see the timing in seconds here, timing of each slide can be can be changed, and it can be converted into videos later. Once you done with the timing to the each slide, you can just convert the video into the PowerPoint into the video. These are just technical things. You can go through the resolution and all these things. Now the important thing next that could be very useful for the teachers. I will explain that into the part 2. So if you want to know about how to record the software simulation in Active Presentation, you can see the part 2 of Active Presentation tutorial. Thank you.